Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set Waze to avoid expressways. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll notice three horizontal lines, commonly known as the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it to open the main menu. This menu is your gateway to all of Waze's settings and customization options. Once the menu opens, you'll see a list of various options available within the app. Look for the one labeled Settings and tap on it. This section houses all the core configurations for how Waze operates, including route preferences, display options, and navigation behavior. It's where you can truly personalize your driving experience to match your specific needs. Now that you're in the settings menu, navigate through the available options until you find navigation. This is a crucial section because it controls how Waze calculates and suggests routes for you. Tap on navigation to access the route planning features that determine which roads and paths the app will recommend during your trips. Inside the navigation settings, scroll through the options until you locate Avoid Toll Roads. This setting is designed to help you steer clear of roads that require payment, which often includes expressways and highways with toll booths. You'll notice that right beside this option, there's a toggle button. This simple switch is what controls whether Waze includes or excludes these types of roads from your route calculations. Go ahead and tap the toggle button to turn it on. Once activated, Waze will automatically adjust its routing algorithm to avoid expressways and toll roads whenever possible. This means that when you search for directions, the app will prioritize alternative routes that don't require toll payments, even if they might take a bit longer. This feature is particularly useful if you're trying to save money on tolls or if you simply prefer driving on local roads rather than high-speed expressways. And that's it. You've successfully configured Waze to avoid expressways, giving you more control over your daily commute and travel routes. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.